Oh, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2009 Toyota Hilux, stock number 6423. This ran from the 8th 2006 to the 8th 2011. It has a 1kd 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1kd 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door 2 dents, left rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right rear taillight, right rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch aftermarket wheel flat tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,